Welcome once again to Unboxing Unscripted Unfiltered. And as always, this is brought to you by Kunuku Coffee Roasters. Roasters. Kunuku Coffee Roasters, the best handcrafted coffee in the whole wide universe. It's no secret, it's my preferred coffee. And as we could see here, I have my espresso. I don't even know what I have here. Maybe this is a Utopia, no, not Utopia, Ethiopia blend that's coming from Kunuku Coffee Roasters. Tastes really good. Now, it's also no secret that we're also big friends of our Italian watchmakers, Venezianico. And we have another. Do I need my knife here? That's actually not necessary. It has that full tab. Our friends from Italy has once again sent us another package. We kind of missed out on the 39mm Aventurina that they had. Actually, that's my fault. The moment that I saw that, I should have requested it. But anyway, they're kind of making it up by sending me another. But this one, I don't think that they've teased as of yet. So by the time this comes out on Friday, yes, it's probably Friday right now. As of recording, it's actually not Friday, but come on, you know how these things work. I don't have to tell you how these things work. So this is pre-recorded and it's coming out today, Friday, and this is a big tease of what Venezianico has to offer all of you guys once again. And it's a very colorful one, but before we do that, let me remove my own watch. It's a 6030. Anyway, let's see how it looks like. And there we are. It's kind of hard to see in camera. Wow, actually that's pretty striking in person. This is a malachite stone dial, as many of you may already know. And malachites are a little bit of an exotic material, as recently it's having some sort of resurgence and in popularity. Very nice Venezianico clasp there. They still don't have those micro adjusts, but yeah, that's Venezianico style. They gradually release or adapt this technology. We've seen in the past unboxing that they already adapted the quick release spring bar, so hopefully they're going to do that also in this one in the near future. But there you go, that's the Nereide case back. But the whole showstopper here and the whole showcase, let's put this aside, is the dial. And yeah, that dial is very striking to see. There's some dust there. So malachite is a stone, naturally occurring stone, and it takes a little bit of effort to actually carve this. And in recent years, many luxury brands are adopting this kind of stone for its very nice and vibrant color, and at the same time, of course, those patterns that identify it. And these are not easy to make. I'm going to tell you in the video how they made this and what are the challenges that Alberto told me when it comes to making these dials. But suffice to say, it's not easy. So if you guys have any comments, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this this watch, this malachite dial from Venezianico. Malachite Nereide. What does it say? Malachite. Okay, it's also malachite. Nothing too Italian for you. And those interesting comments will make it into the video as usual. Let's try it on my wrist. As expected, it kind of almost overshoots my wrist because I have pretty small wrist. But this really nice 5-link bracelet is still a beauty. I still have that 24 karat gold version Nereide right there, and uses the same kind of bracelet links, and they're using it here as well. Very nice. Look at that. There's a little chunky boy right there. There's a little bit of thickness in there, but again, it's a dive watch, so that's kind of expected. Let's remove that from there. There you go. Yeah. Very nice. Let's hear some clicks. Nice and springy as I remember it to be. Nothing fancy, nothing different there. But that dial, oh, you see that? Look at that. Okay, so they did something different about the bezel. They did color that green, so to match the green dial that it has. Yeah, there you go. It's a beautiful and striking watch. Nothing too surprising. I'm kind of spoiled with all of the publicity and promotional material. And it kind of looks the part. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this new Venezianico Nereide that comes now in a malachite dial. Green is still in, guys. Green is still in, and a lot of people are still looking for these kinds of watches, these colorways. As you can see with the IWC's popularity with the Engineer and some of the more higher end watches still producing green dials. Us actually, we're also producing green dials, Flux watches. There's a little plug there. But green is still in, guys. And wait until the product review, and we'll let you know how difficult it is, at least for Venezianico, to come up with this dial.